Are you tired of high energy bills eating into your rental property profits? It's time to take action. Hi there, I'm glad you've joined us today to talk about how you can improve energy efficiency in your rental property, saving both money and valuable resources. Let's dive right in. First off, let's address the elephant in the room: energy-efficient appliances. Upgrading to Energy Star-rated appliances can significantly reduce energy consumption and utility costs for your rental property. From refrigerators to dishwashers and HVAC systems, these appliances are designed to operate more efficiently, ultimately saving you money in the long run. But it's not just about appliances, it's also about insulation. Proper insulation is key to keeping your rental property comfortable year-round while minimizing energy waste. Consider adding insulation to attics, walls, and crawl spaces to help maintain a consistent indoor temperature and reduce the strain on your heating and cooling systems. Next up, let's talk about lighting. Switching to LED light bulbs is a simple yet effective way to improve energy efficiency in your rental property. LED bulbs use significantly less energy than traditional incandescent bulbs and last much longer, saving you money on replacement costs as well. Now let's discuss something that often gets overlooked: air sealing. Air leaks around windows, doors, and ductwork can waste a significant amount of energy and money. By properly sealing these areas, you can prevent warm or cool air from escaping your rental property, thus reducing the workload on your HVAC system and lowering your energy bills. And last but not least, let's talk about smart thermostats. These innovative devices allow you to control your rental property's heating and cooling systems remotely, ensuring that energy is not wasted when the property is unoccupied. Plus, many smart thermostats come with energy-saving features and scheduling capabilities to help you maximize efficiency. By implementing these energy-saving strategies, you can not only save money on your utility bills, but also reduce your environmental footprint and attract eco-conscious tenants. Remember, every little bit counts when it comes to energy efficiency. Now that we've covered some key strategies for improving energy efficiency in your rental property, let's talk about the benefits of partnering with a professional property management company like Alpine Property Management Kansas City. When you work with Alpine, you can rest assured that your rental properties are in good hands. Our team of experienced professionals is dedicated to ensuring the success of your investments, and we have the knowledge and resources to implement energy-saving initiatives effectively. One of the advantages of partnering with Alpine is our proactive approach to property management. We'll conduct regular inspections to identify areas where energy efficiency can be improved and recommend cost-effective solutions to maximize savings. Additionally, our comprehensive tenant screening process helps us attract responsible tenants who are likely to prioritize energy efficiency and conservation. By leasing to tenants who value sustainability, you can further enhance the energy efficiency of your rental properties. Another benefit of working with Alpine is our access to industry-leading technology and resources. From advanced property management software to reliable contractor networks, we leverage cutting-edge tools to streamline operations and optimize energy performance. And perhaps most importantly, partnering with Alpine allows you to focus on what matters most to you while we handle the day-to-day tasks of property management. Whether it's responding to maintenance requests, collecting rent, or coordinating repairs, we'll take care of everything so you can enjoy peace of mind and passive income. In conclusion, improving energy efficiency in your rental property is not only good for your bottom line, but also for the environment and your tenants. By implementing the strategies discussed today and partnering with Alpine Property Management Kansas City, you can maximize savings, attract quality tenants, and achieve long-term success in the rental market. If you're ready to take the next step towards energy-efficient property management, contact Alpine Property Management Kansas City today. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on rental property management. Together, we can create a more sustainable future for your investments and our community.